Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just want to thank you for clicking on this video. Please make sure that you watch it to the end, and welcome if you are new. If you want to see more nail videos or nail tutorials, please make sure that you click that subscribe button down below. Now let's get right into this video. So today I will be doing extra long polygel nails. I will be doing some negative space. I already applied my nail tips and then I'm just clipping them down to my desired length. They will be extra long, and I will make sure that I leave these nail tips in the description below just in case you are interested. And then once I finish clipping them down, I'm just taking my hand file and I will just file the sides to clean up the shape and also the free edge. And then I did the rest of the nails. I didn't show those because I didn't want this video to be super long. So I'm just going in with my purple MAKARTT Polygel and I'm just putting some all down the tip. And then I'm using 70% rubbing alcohol as my slip solution, and I'm just gonna pat and spread this into the nail. I will do an ombre, so I will go in with another color near the cuticle. And here I'm just taking the light apricot color from modelones and I'm putting it near the cuticle to make an ombre with the purple. And I don't know who all noticed, but I forgot to add my base coat before I started my pinky nail. So here I'm just applying the base coat, cure for 30 seconds, and I will continue with my nail design. So now I'm just taking that same purple for my ring finger and I'm just putting it near the cuticle. I won't take it all the way down, so I'm gonna stop it where I want it to be and then just pat it into place. I cured this for 30 seconds, and then once I finish, I'm going to take my file to file the line where I'll add the clear, because I wanted this to be super straight or as straight as I could get it. So I just filed that and then continue adding my clear. And then for my middle finger, I will do the same thing that I just did for my ring finger, but instead I will do pink, clear, and then a purple. The clear on this finger will be my negative space. I'm just going to pat this polygel into place where I want it to be, and they all will be slanted. I pat it into place, cure it, and then file, making sure that the lines are as neat as possible, and then go in with the next color until this nail is finished. then after I cured that, I'm moving on to the next finger, which is my index finger. So I'm just putting some pink near the cuticle, and I will just brush it down and fade it into the nail, because I will do like in pink ombre, but I didn't feel like it was necessary to add clear, so I was just cap this whole nail once I finished the entire set. And I said I was gonna cap this nail once I was finished, but I actually capped it once I finished adding the pink. So I'm just gonna cover this entire nail in clear and then move on to my thumb. And for the thumb, I'm also doing another ombre. So I already put some pink near the tip, and I'm just adding some more because I wanted it to be higher. So I'm just adding more pink, and once I finish patting it into place, I will cure it for 30 seconds and then add my second color near the cuticle and blending it down into the pink. And then I kept all these nails in clear off camera. And these are what the nails look like once I finish doing all that. The next step is to file. So I'm just taking my hand file first and just cleaning up the sides and the free edge and also the surface of the nail. And then I also did some filing with my nail drill off camera over all the nails to making sure the cuticle area was good and the surface of the nails. And then once I finished filing, these are how the nails look. And then next for my nail art, I will be adding these holographic butterfly stickers. I'm gonna add purple to my ring finger and then pink butterflies on my index finger. And I will make sure that I leave the links to these stickers below. Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know. So I stopped recording putting on the pink, but here's how they look once I finish putting them on. And here is my rhinestone glue, just in case you were wondering what kind I use. I'm just putting some on the ring finger where the purple line meets the clear, and I'm just adding some rhinestones all the way across, and then I'm going to cure. Once I have them lined up straight, I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. And I added some rhinestones to the middle finger the same way, and then this is what they look like. And my rhinestones were a little bit crooked, but it's okay because I was just doing this for the design. And then I'm gonna add some matte top coat because I want these nails to be matte. And before I cure it, these are what the nails look like if they were glossy. If I was to put a shiny top coat, I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds, and this is how they look once they come out the light. And me, I like them better matte, but comment down below which one you like, the shiny or the matte best. And as always, if you have made it this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.